Hello guys, welcome back to today's yoga session. In this session, we are going to do 10 minutes of yoga stretches for flexibility in the morning. If you are ready, then let's get started. We are going to start our practice by some neck movement to right and left. Breathe slow and steady. Inhale as you turn your neck to right and exhale to left. Same with up and down. Inhale when you look up and exhale when you look down. And you're gonna stretch your hands above your head, and excuse me for my camera angle, it might be zoom in too much to cut out my palms. Anyway, stretch your back and spine. Try to pull yourself up and hold for there 3, 2 and 1. Then we are gonna twist our upper body to the left side. Put your right hand on your left knee. Keep your spine straight and look back. Let's switch the other side. Your right hand on the left knee. Left hand back side. Try to lengthen your spine and relax. And coming back to the center, you are gonna stretch and place your hands on the ground as far as they can go and folding all the way down so we can add a nice forward bend here. Just to feel this in your lower back, mid back and upper back along with the shoulders. Try to soften into the stretch and feel. Slowly you can walk your hands back in to get up. Let's come to our first Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. So hands are shoulder distance apart. I am spreading my fingertips nice and wide and reaching hips go up. And you can pedal your feet here. Try to keep your knees straight. If you are able to, you can always slightly bend your knees nice and stretch. Let's extend our left leg up towards the sky. Open up your hip. You can have your knee straight or you can bend it like it here. Now step your right foot forward in between your palms to the top of the mat. And we are coming into Asvasancharana. Now keep your left leg on the ground, knee on the ground, and be there for a moment. Now placing our both palms on the left knee, pushing our hip down towards the mat, giving our right leg a nice deep stretch. Now if you can gently raise your both hands up towards the sky and feel that stretch on your left hamstring as well. Gently place your hands on the mat. As such, your left leg should be right by the side of your left hand. We are going to push away our left knee with our hand as much as we can. Now place your palms back on the ground and feel the complete leg stretch on the left side. Glutes, hamstring, calf. If you want that extra stretch, you can always bend forward by placing your forearm on the ground. Gently breathe in and breathe out. It is also important for us to feel the stretch in our yoga posture. Gently release the posture and transition into pigeon pose. So left foot crawls over the right side. I have my left knee behind my left hand. Keep your back nice and straight so that you don't incline on one side. Gently look upward so that you can feel that nice back bend here, opening through your chest. Slowly bend forward down, walk your hands, go as low as possible. Breathe in and breathe out. This is your time to relax. This is your time to observe the stretch. Gently lift your chest up. Grab your right leg through your right hand and try to pull it to yourself. Feel the extra stretch in your hamstring and quadricep. Release the posture. You can step the left foot back and just take a few relaxative breaths here if you like to. Come into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to relax yourself here. Long deep inhale and exhale. Repeating the sequence on the right side. Reach your right leg up to the sky. Get a nice big stretch here. You can bend your knee if you want to. Place your right foot forward in between your hands to the top of the mat. Hold your posture here, Asvasancharana. Slowly place your both palms on the right knee, pushing your hip towards the ground, towards the mat, giving left leg a nice deep stretch. Slowly raise your both hands up towards the sky to feel that extra stretch and balance in your body. Gently place your both hands on the mat, your right leg beside your right hand. Gently push your right knee with your right hand. Place your palms on the ground again and try to feel that nice stretch in your left leg. You can always feel that extra stretch by bending your elbows and leaning forward, gently coming up. Release the posture and transitioning into pigeon pose, crossing my right leg in square. Keep your left leg on the ground and try to keep your spine straight so you can balance on both sides. Look up for that nice back bend stretch. Now hold your left leg with your left hand and pull your leg towards yourself, giving that quadricep a nice deep stretch. Gently release the leg, release the posture. Coming back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. You can relax here. Take a long deep inhale, complete exhale. Moving forward, bend your forearm on the mat, keeping your leg and spine straight. Slowly relax and come into the tabletop position. Lift your left leg up and right hand so that they can form a one straight line. Try to grab your left leg with your right hand and try to stretch it up so that you can feel that nice back bend and balance in your body. Release the posture and repeat on the other side by lifting your right leg and left hand in the straight line. Keep that balance. Now hold your leg with your hand and pull your leg up as much as you can. Balance your posture. Relax and release. Now relax and lie down on your stomach. Half cobra pose. Inhale and lift our upper back, keeping our forearm on the ground. Exhale and relax. Place your both palms beside your chest, legs together. Inhale, lift your body up, roll shoulders back, look up, Purna Bhujangasana. Nice deep inhale, exhale, and relax down. Now, get up and sit in puppy pose. Place your hands at the top of the mat. Try to touch your chest on the ground, chin on the ground, keeping your hip upward. You can also relax in child pose like this. Relax your hands, keep your head on the ground. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Now sit in any comfortable position. You can extend your practice or you can do pranayam after this 10 minutes of morning stretch workout. We'll see you in the next class.